Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we'll learn about little bit more on NumPy all and any methods. So in earlier video, we have seen the basic functioning of all and any methods. So one deals with logical and another method deals with logical or operator, right? Now we will see how we can use both of these methods to compare the elements of an array or the elements between two arrays. Okay, so let's start. So as we know, we have an array here of one dimension arr1. Let me create another array and name it as arr3 numpy array and let it have 3 4 5 6. Okay, so if I check the contents of arr3, I will get to know the elements within that array. Now let's say if I want to make element wise comparison, like arr1 greater than arr3. Okay, so in this case it will do element wise comparison and return us true or false based on the satisfaction of the condition. Here I am asking whether all the elements of the array 1 are greater than array 3. It doesn't do AND on all the elements. Instead it will do element wise comparison. So here 1 will be compared with 3. 1 is not greater than 3, so it will be returning false. Similarly 2 is not greater than 4, 3 is not greater than 5, minus 1 is not greater than 6. So we'll get all false here. Okay, in the same way, if I want to compare np all and arr1 greater than arr3, okay, so you see it returns us one false because this all will be doing logical AND operation on all the available elements, right? So this arr1 greater than arr3 will return us this numpy array, which will have 4 elements and all 4 are false, right? Doing logical AND on these 4 false elements will result in one single false, right? Because in order for logical AND to return true, all the inputs must be true. If either of the inputs are false, the output will be false. So this is how you can compare. Now let's say if I want to compare if all the elements of arr1 are less than 5, okay, so it is returning true. Why? Because arr1 has the elements 1 2 3 minus 1. Of course all of these elements are less than 5, but how this works internally, if you just execute arr1 less than 5, you will see a list with boolean values and all are returning true. Right now, doing logical AND on all these elements, all the true elements will return us true. If any one of these element was false, the output here would be false. Okay, so this is how we can compare it. And another thing is on np.any. Now we'll see np.any. Let's again display the elements of arr1 and arr3 for our convenience. So 3 4 5 6 are the elements of arr3 and 1 2 3 minus 1 are the elements of arr1. Okay, now if I say, let's say arr1 greater than arr3, it will still return me false because none of the elements are elements of arr1 is greater than elements of arr3. That's why it is simply returning false. Now if I say, instead of comparing two arrays, if I say if any of the element is greater than 2 here, it will return me true. Okay, why it will return me true? Because any will perform logical OR operator or operation. Okay, so since arr1 greater than 2 will return us a numpy array with these 4 elements. See, arr1 1 is not greater than 2, that's why it will be false. 2 is not greater than 2, that's why it will be false. 3 is greater than 2, so we will have true here. Minus 1 is not greater than 2, that's why we have false here. Now doing logical OR operation on these 4 elements, false or true or false. So just remember, logical OR operator will return us true if any one of the input is set to true or all the inputs are true, right? It will return false only in the case when all the inputs are false. So that's the reason we are seeing true here. Okay, hope this is clear for you guys. That's all for this video. If you guys have any questions, please post it in comments. I will try to answer. Thanks. Happy learning. Bye.